Oh, sorry. Sorry, one more bill. Sorry. I am sorry. Repealing. Now, Sri, yes, you can move. That the bill be passed. Lobbies are okay. Bill be passed. Let it be over. Follow.
उपसभापति महोदय, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि राष्ट्रीय पिछड़ा वर्ग आयोग 1993 को निरसन किया जाए.
Okay, fine. Motion moved that the bill be passed. Bill be passed means the repealing bill. Don't misunderstand. Repealing bill. The question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have. Division, please. Division.
सर उसमें एक
it is a withdrawal.
एक निवेदन है मेरा.
I think
सर मेरा निवेदन है.
No need of division.
सर राष्ट्रीय पिछड़ा वर्ग आयोग 2017 यदि पारित नहीं हुआ है तो उसको निरस्त करना उचित नहीं होगा और नहीं तो राष्ट्रीय पिछड़ा वर्ग आयोग विहीन हो जाएगा सर. इसलिए निरसन विधेयक अभी पारित करना उचित नहीं होगा जब तक वो बिल पास नहीं होता.
We need not take it.
Yes,
I agree with that. No, that is the correct. That is the correct position. Now, honorable members, Yechuri ji. No. Now, please, Yechuri ji. Now, Mr. Minister, what you are saying is that because the Constitution Amendment Bill is not passed,
yes,
we need not repeal it now.
Yes.
अभी नहीं करना है.
हाँ नहीं करना.
You are correct. That is the position.
An unambiguous announcement you make that this is not repealed now.
Not repealed.
Yes.
Not repealed.
It is not.
Yeah.
Therefore, the existing status exists.
Yeah. That is what I am saying. I am making it very clear. The minister himself has said. Now, please.
I think we are going on the wrong track. The leader of the House will appreciate what I am saying. The Lok Sabha has passed a constitution amendment bill. The Rajya Sabha has passed a different constitution amendment bill. They don't agree with each other. The constitution requires both houses to pass a constitution amendment bill. There is no bill today to which the president can assent. The government cannot submit the two bills to the president and assent it. There is no constitution amendment bill today on which both houses agree. Therefore, nothing has happened. The constitution as unamended will remain.
Yeah,
so you don't have to say this is repealed, that is not repealed.
No, that is not the reason. Because it is no. Chidambaram, you are correct, but because why it is said, because the minister. Now listen, Chidambaram. No, you also understand what I also. You just listen. That
nothing for the minister to say.
No, minister. No, you didn't listen, Mr. Chidambaram.
Right,
minister stood. Now see. Minister stood up and said that he is moving the bill. Therefore, as far as this house is concerned, the bill is under the consideration of this house because he said he is moving. Therefore, I have to say that the minister has withdrawn the bill and therefore this bill is withdrawn, not taken into consideration. That is because he moved it. I have to say it because he moved it. That is the reason. So, here minister has withdrawn the bill. Therefore, this repealing bill is not taken into consideration. So, whatever is their bill, it stands there. What is that? अरे नहीं ये हो गया. अरे वो खत्म.
लॉबी बोल दिए, लॉबी पहले.
अच्छा, लॉबी में भी क्लियर. Lobby may be open. Yes, please. Okay. First bill is passed, second bill is not considered. House stands adjourned till 11 hours on Tuesday, 1st August 2017.